Hello everyone, want to give y'all an update on the transmission on this thing. I was able to get the other valve body in and it is shifting into all three gears now, but I learned after I got that other valve body in that there's a special tool that you can buy to set the throttle pressure or kickdown adjustment on the valve body itself. And somebody on Facebook actually sent me a picture of this tool and how wide the head needed to be, and I made my own. Just took a bolt, drilled a hole in the center with my drill press, and shaved it down. Put some threads in it, and sacrificed this really cheap screwdriver. And I've made my own now. The camera's not wanting to focus on it. There it is. And I just used my bench grinder to grind it down, to grind the ends down to where it needed to be. So there's my tool. So I will need to take that valve body off again to do that adjustment, but I'm not really going to do that right away, because I wasn't looking forward to swapping the valve body to begin with. So I will not be doing it back to back. But I do have something else. If you watched my transmission swap video, you'll notice that one of my homemade transmission mount brackets was bent, and I have cut in some new pieces. I don't know what grade steel this is, but this is some very, very, very strong steel. It took me over an hour to get these pieces cut. But this small one right here is going to be on the transmission, and the bigger one right there is going to be against the cross member. But I need to find either a machine shop or somebody that has a really bigger drill press than I do and some stronger bits that can actually cut the holes. But because when I had the other mount off, I actually traced a template using cardboard, so I know exactly where the holes need to be. So I'll be able to get that cut and put back on, and I'll have an updated homemade transmission mount, and I'll probably do a video on that too. But yeah, there it is. Not much going on right now. I do have the Sure Grip to go on the charger right there, and having that transmission jack is going to help immensely. I just need to drop that center section and put it in. But that's it, and I'll see you later.